our exciting showcase of the 2-unit MAPS, a customized outdoor playing equipment designed to bring joy and adventure to children everywhere. This all-in-one playset combines a variety of fun and engaging elements to create the ultimate playground experience. First, let's take a look at the FRP Crescent slide. Its unique curved design provides a smooth and exhilarating ride, making it a favorite among kids. Next up is the FRP Wave Slide, which offers a wavy, thrilling descent that keeps children coming back for more. These slides are crafted from durable FRP materials, ensuring both safety and longevity. The adventure continues with the one-seater swing. Perfect for solo play, this swing lets kids soar through the air, promoting physical activity and coordination. For those who love to climb, the FRP Rock Climber presents a fun and challenging ascent. It encourages children to develop their climbing skills while enjoying the thrill of reaching new heights. Adding a touch of whimsy to the playset is the Strawberry Canopy, providing a shaded area that sparks the imagination and offers a cozy spot for kids to take a break. Complementing this is the charming butterfly feature, adding a playful and decorative element to the playground.